In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively delete a website on Canva. This process is simple and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to manage their online content with confidence. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to open Canva. For those of you who haven't used Canva before, it's a versatile design platform that makes creating graphics and content a breeze. You can access it through your web browser or the mobile app. Once you're logged in, the key is to head directly to the search bar at the top of the page or app interface. In this field, you're going to type the word website. By doing so, you're instructing Canva to filter its features and templates specifically related to website design. This search sets the groundwork for either creating or managing your previous website projects. After hitting enter or selecting the option, you'll find yourself on a page filled with various website design templates and files. However, your goal here is to focus on the projects you've already worked on, specifically any websites that you've created. To do this, make sure you click the tab or area that says Your Design here. What this does is filter the results, showing you only the designs and projects you've personally worked on or saved in your account. This crucial step helps you quickly locate the specific website you wish to edit, or, in this case, delete. Now, once your designs populate and you see your list of websites, the next step is to decide which particular website you no longer need. Scroll through your list and identify the website you intend to delete. Once you've settled on the website you wish to remove, the next action is straightforward. Look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, located beside the website's thumbnail or name. Clicking these three dots will open a small menu that presents different actions you can take concerning that particular project. Among the options presented, you'll find one that says Move to Trash. Click Move to Trash, and this action essentially deletes your website, removing it from your active projects and sending it to the trash. It's important to note that while this deletes the website from your projects, you may still have the option to recover it later from the trash if you act fast and change your mind. And there you have it. That's how you delete a website on Canva efficiently. Managing your projects on Canva is all about knowing these simple steps to organize and keep your workspace tidy. Hopefully, this video helps you stay on top of your creative projects with ease. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more helpful Canva tips.